Hello everyone and welcome back to English Talk Studio channel where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello Anna, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is such a beautiful day to be here with you.
It really is. John, you look very happy today. You have a big smile on your face.
I am happy. I am feeling very relaxed today.
Oh, that is good news. Why are you so relaxed?
Well, this morning I went for a long walk. I went to the park near my house.
That sounds lovely. Was it sunny?
It was perfect. The sun was shining and the birds were singing. It was a great start to the day.
I love that. And actually, John, that is perfect for our topic today.
Oh, really? What is our topic?
Today we are going to talk about spending time in nature.
Wow, that is a great topic. Nature is so important.
Yes, it is. We will talk about why nature is good for you and we will learn some English words for outdoor activities.
I like it. We can talk about hiking and picnics.
Yes. And we will talk about how nature helps your mind.
Excellent. But Anna, before we go outside, I mean before we start the show,
Yes, John.
we have a small favor to ask our friends listening at home.
We do. If you like our podcast, please take a moment to subscribe to English Talk Studio. Yes, click that subscribe button. It helps us make more episodes for you. And please give this video a like, a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Maybe your friends want to learn English too. Thank you so much, everyone. We appreciate it.
Okay, Anna, let's talk about nature.
Let's do it. So, John, you said you went to the park this morning.
Yes, it is a big park with many trees.
How did you feel before the walk?
Honestly, I was a little stressed.
Stressed? Why?
Oh, work, emails, busy city life. Sometimes my brain feels full.
I understand that completely. Modern life is very fast.
It is, but after 10 minutes in the park, I felt different.
How did you feel?
I felt calm. The stress just went away.
That is the magic of nature. It is very good for our mental health.
Mental health. That is an important phrase. It means how our mind feels.
Right. Exactly. Just like we exercise for our body, we need nature for our mind.
I agree. When I hear the wind in the trees, I relax.
Me too. There is a word for this. It is called mindfulness.
Mindfulness. That is a big word. What does it mean?
It means being in the moment. Not thinking about tomorrow. Not thinking about work. Just being here now.
Ah, I see. So when I look at a flower and I only think about the flower, that is mindfulness.
Yes. You are not checking your phone. You are just looking at the flower.
That brings up a good point. Phones.
Oh, yes. Our phones. We look at them all day.
We do. I look at my computer for work and then my phone for messages. My eyes get tired.
Mine, too. Nature is the perfect place for a digital detox.
Digital detox. I like that. It means taking a break from technology.
Yes. When you go to the forest or the beach, you should put your phone away. Put it in your pocket or leave it in your bag. Don't look at Instagram. Look at the sky.
That is good advice. The sky is more beautiful than Instagram.
It really is. It helps us reconnect with the real world.
The real world. Yes. The grass. The trees. The water. That is real.
So, John, walking in the park is one activity. What else can we do in nature?
Oh, there are so many things. My favorite is hiking.
Hiking. Can you explain what hiking is?
Sure, hiking is like walking but usually in the mountains or the forest. It is a long walk.
Is it difficult?
It can be. Sometimes the hills are very high. You need good shoes.
Good shoes are very important. You don't want sore feet.
No, I wear big boots when I go hiking and I bring a backpack.
What is in your backpack?
Water. Lots of water. And maybe a map.
A map is good. You don't want to get lost in the forest.
No, definitely not. But I love hiking because of the view.
The view?
Yes, when you walk to the top of the hill and you look down. Wow, it is beautiful.
I can imagine. You can see everything.
Exactly. It makes you feel strong. You climbed the mountain.
I like walking, but I prefer sitting. Sitting is good, too. So, what is your favorite activity?
I love picnics. I do. To me, a picnic is the perfect afternoon.
Tell us about your perfect picnic.
Okay, first, I need a big blanket to put on the grass.
Yes, a nice soft blanket.
Then, I need a basket, a picnic basket.
Classic. And what is inside?
Sandwiches. Delicious sandwiches with cheese and tomato.
Sounds good. And fruit. Apples. Grapes. Maybe some strawberries.
Very fresh. And something cool to drink like lemonade or iced tea.
That sounds wonderful, John. Sitting in the sun, eating good food, and reading a book. That is the best part. Reading under a tree. That is very relaxing.
But Anna, what about the ants?
The ants?
Yes, they like picnics. Too. They want your sandwich.
I try to be nice to them. But yes, insects are part of nature. Too.
True. If you are in their home, you have to say hello.
Hello, Mr. Ant. Please do not eat my strawberry.
Exactly. So, we have hiking and picnics. What about camping?
Camping. This is sleeping outside, right?
Yes, you sleep in a tent.
A tent?
That is a small house made of fabric.
Yes. Do you like camping, John?
I want to like it. But I am a little scared of the dark. The forest can be very dark at night. And the noises you hear. Hoot hoot or crunch crunch.
It is just an owl or maybe a rabbit or a bear.
Maybe, but camping is fun. You can make a fire.
A campfire.
Yes, you can sit around the fire. It is warm, and you can look at the stars.
Oh, the stars. That is true. In the city, we cannot see many stars.
No, too many lights. But in the nature, the sky is full of stars. It is magic.
That sounds beautiful. Maybe I will try camping if you come with me to protect me from the bears.
I will protect you, Anna, I promise.
Thank you, John. Another fun thing to do is biking.
Biking? You mean riding a bicycle?
Yes. Many parks have paths for bicycles.
That is great exercise.
It is. And it is fast. You can see a lot of nature in a short time.
I like biking. The wind in your hair. It feels very free.
Yes. Freedom. That is a great word for nature. You feel free.
We're talking about English. Can nature help us learn English?
That is a very interesting question. I think yes.
How?
Well, you can practice vocabulary.
Give me an example.
Okay. When you walk in the park, look around. What do you see?
I see a tree. I see a flower. I see a duck.
Exactly. Say the words out loud. That is a big green tree. The sky is very blue today. The grass is soft.
Oh, that is a good exercise. You describe the world.
Yes. And you can bring a notebook.
A notebook.
Yes. Sit on a bench and write what you see. I see a brown dog running. I see two children playing. This is great practice. It is calm and you have time to think and you are not looking at a screen.
True. Also, nature is great for social connections.
You mean being with friends?
Yes. Sometimes sitting in a coffee shop can be loud.
That is true. It is hard to hear.
But walking in nature, it is quiet. It is easy to talk.
And you don't need to look at each other all the time. You're walking side by side.
Yes. For some people, that is easier. You walk and you talk. It is less pressure.
Exactly. I often have my best conversations with friends when we are hiking or at a picnic.
Yes. Or eating cheese sandwiches.
John, what if I don't live near a big forest? What can I do?
That is a good question. Not everyone lives near mountains. Some people live in big cities with only tall buildings. But usually there is a small park or even a garden or maybe just a tree on your street.
Yes. Even one tree is nature. You can look at the leaves. You can watch the seasons change. Green in summer, orange in autumn.
Exactly. You don't need a big trip. You just need to open your eyes and breathe.
Yes. Take a deep breath. Fresh air. It really changes your mood.
Anna, I have a challenge for our listeners.
Ooh, a challenge. I like challenges. What is it?
I want everyone to go outside this week. Just go outside.
Yes. Go to a park or a garden or just walk down a quiet street
And leave your phone at home or in your pocket. Do not look at it for 20 minutes.
20 minutes? That is not a long time. It is easy. Just 20 minutes.
Look at nature. Listen to the birds and practice your English. Name 5 things you see. Me too. I will go for another walk tomorrow. Maybe I will go for a bike ride.
Ooh, nice. Wear your helmet.
I will. Safety first. You know, talking about nature makes me want to go outside right now.
Me too. But we have to finish the podcast first.
Laughter. You are right. But we can plan our next picnic. We will try. This was a really nice chat. Anna, I feel refreshed.
I am glad. John, it is good to remember that we are part of nature. We are not robots.
No, we are people and people need green spaces.
We truly do. Well, I think that is all for today. John.
I think so, too. We covered a lot. Mental health, hiking, camping, picnics, and digital detox. Yes, very important. We hope you enjoyed this episode about nature. We hope it helps you feel more confident to talk about the outdoors in English.
Yes. Go out and practice. And before you go, we have one last request. Yes, please. If you haven't already, subscribe to English Talk Studio and share this episode with a friend. Maybe a friend you want to go hiking with.
That is a great idea. Send it to them and say, "Let's go for a walk." And please leave a comment below.
We love to read your comments. Yes. We have a question for you. What is your favorite outdoor activity? Do you like hiking, biking, or just relaxing in the park? Tell us in the comments in English.
Yes, in English. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try. We can't wait to read your stories.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone.
Thank you. Have a wonderful nature-filled week. See you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye. Go outside.